What's up, brothers? Give me 1 second. Let me share this. Alrighty, let's do some TA. So the VIP and I think also my ex, I've shared this whole setup before the entry, and the technical target of this Wyckoff is this low. So this is TP1, TP2, and here's TP3. And you're probably gonna get this. So go to the technical target, bounce, make a low time frame distribution. They go to the technical target of this Wyckoff, and they send it to this low to make a high time frame accumulation if possible. Now, New York open in 4 minutes. Got a nice 12% gains on oil. Yeah, this should go to technical target, pardon me. Yeah, let me go over some altcoins. Doge is in a confirmed distribution where we have lots of liquidity below. This is not really a valid range pool, but I know based on the other models on ETH, for example, then this range is probably going to play out. Let me see if we can short this. Let me see if we can get a short on Doge. Ah, 2R. I'm not gonna enter something for 2R. It's not worth it. Then I just prefer taking better models and better entries. Maybe we get a re-entry for a better, better model. Fetch AI, leaving a lots of liquidity. We can pull a range. See, we already came to the Wyckoff low, which is this low. So we had a distribution and we came to the Wyckoff low. But now, let me see where is some resistance where you can look for longs. I think when ETH bottoms and BTC, then you can look for longs. But this can also full send down to go to this low. Why? Because if ETH is gonna go to 1700, which is a dump of like 20-30%, this can dump also this long, this deep. So this is super possible. I entered here and took TPs on this confirmed distribution. This has potential to take the February low, no? Yeah, this low is probably gonna get taken. So yes, this can dump to here. But I just want to take this high. We didn't take this high, which I don't like. This took the low, which can be accumulating for Doge. But yeah, Doge is not really clear for me. If it's not clear for me, I'm not taking anything. For me, guys, I need an A+ setup. If there's no A+ setup and all my confirmation are not aligning with this whole model, I'm not taking it. So I need my numerology, confirmation, then let me do the right sequence. So first Wyckoff, right? First Wyckoff TA, then we do the FIPS, then we do the astrology, what's the cycle, then we're gonna check the time cycles, what are the gun days, and then we're gonna check some other things. But of course, numerology is the last thing I'm gonna check because vibrations can change always. S&P is dumping probably, yeah. So for S&P, wait, let me turn the music a bit lower. So you don't want to lose this low. You don't want to lose this low. Why not? Because this is your market structure. So what we can do here, this can dump, wait. If we break this low, it can do this. For example, deviation, make it better Wyckoff, and then you go down. Because this is not gonna full send it down. This is probably gonna dump like, what is it? 1%. Because guys, if Bitcoin is gonna go lower, S&P is also gonna go lower. Normally, based on all the cycles, guys, when Bitcoin is gonna go make a correction of like 10 or 20%, S&P is also gonna make a small correction. Just check it by yourself. I can show, why not? All right. Let me give you guys some alpha. Almost every single time when Bitcoin tops or make a correction, S&P also dumps. For example, here we pump, then the top is in here, then we make a small correction. I say small, not big corrections, because Bitcoin is not the same, like crypto is different than stocks, of course. But you can expect a correction. For example, here was the all-time high top, and there you can see it tops really heavy. And now, when this bottomed here, it's also the bottom of crypto. And when this, let me see, when this stopped, so this high also confirmed this high for S&P. You see, in your market structure, deviating this low. So yes, it can correct. Do we need big distributions? I prefer yes, because then the market makers can scale out more nicely and they can fill the orders. But I need a Wyckoff like this, for example. This could be nice, but this is just too small. Yes, it can dump. It can be a fake move, but I prefer a bigger high time frame distribution on the S&P. Let me know if it's clear. And the last time when this dumped, you see guys, when this dumped, this also dumped. So what we can do is SPX plus BTC. How is this pair looking? This is how you check cycles, guys. Now, let me check. Is this bottoming or is it stopping? Give me some answers, guys. This is not bottoming because we have a naked low in here, and we need market makers to fill the lows. They didn't fill the lows, they have filled only one low, so they need to take this low, okay? We have never seen a bottom forming with one high time frame low. Okay, we need a Wyckoff. So now we have a distribution, which is confirmed with all my confirmations. My numerology wants to go higher, but my astrology was more bearish than bullish, and also my FIPS, and like I was expecting 80k. I think I also posted this on my X. I was expecting 80k based on the FIPS. So for example, when I pull a FIP like this, and you have it like this, then you see on the 2 month, we bounced on the FIP. Now you came back in the 0 FIP. And now we have a potential distribution here. Did we break the main market structure? No. We can expect this, or you can expect this. Wait, let me do it more clear. So market structure, deviation, make a distribution, get the hell out. You want to sell stocks here. Sell in May, buy in, what was it? Sell May, go away, and come back in, I don't know, September or something. I forgot the line, but you know what I mean. So yeah, this when this bottoms, then you can buy. And yeah, that's my strong point in whole trading. I can clearly call tops and bottoms on every single asset, and that's not something I've learned in a few months. I've learned like 6 strategies, and it's all aligning with each other. But you have to put the hours in, guys. Put the work in. It's not gonna come out by itself. Fast money is not good money. All right, so let me see what New York Open is doing. Little accumulation. Watching a swing short from here. This could accumulate here. But I don't like this whole move. Yes, Eve can pump this whole move back, but I just don't like Eve. I'm in this short, looking for this. So yeah, that's the planning, guys, and let me see if I can short this. Oh man, I want to short this. You already came in the supply? Nah. Oh man, this chart, guys. Yeah. Okay. Let me know if there's any questions. Let me know if there's any question, guys. Let me know. All right, that was the stream. I hope everything is clear. High time frame context is not bullish. Can we go higher? Yes, but as long as there is no confirmation, I am not targeting higher highs. So for now, it's my expectations. We're gonna go to 73.6k, then we're gonna go a bit up. Yes, we can also just go to this market structure, same here, and then you don't even come back anymore. So let's see. It's kind of obvious, like all these shorts, they're so easy because you all have a naked low, naked low, naked low. And we're gonna go to the last bear market. Naked low, naked low, naked low, naked low. Do you guys see what I see? Or is it just me? Now, look at the tops, same thing, guys. Naked low, naked low, naked high, take the high, naked low, top, yeah. Same here. Sometimes they don't take the low, but then there's just no entry. Simple as that. If you get the entry, then you take it to the next Wyckoff target, which is this one, but this could also be target. And we have some gun days. Let me check. What about this one? Nice. Yeah, that's so clean. Oh, no way. Damn! Wait! I'm giving too much alpha here, guys. Damn, I'm giving all the free alpha here. Guys, if you want to join my group, it's we're at like 80 people. Send me a DM and I will see if you're a fit. But I'm sharing all my alphas like this in the VIP, and yeah, just let me know if you want to go inside. Not everyone can go because I only want traders with experience, but it's funny like how these things work. A whole year is a whole circle, like almost the same, you know, or it repeats the cycles. 360. Wait, let me then pull this nice pivot point. So we end here the cycle. And just to make it clear, I did not take all these trades. It's just backtesting, and it's just backtesting based on Wyckoff models. But of course, I didn't take this. Okay. I'm just pointing it out to the high time frame distribution, how you could have taken it. For example, you take it on the high time frame accumulation, and then you TP the rest of your longs on the high time frame confirmed distribution on all-time highs, which was here. So this could be a possible trade, but not for me at the moment. At the moment in history. Yeah. And I don't wanna use these lines. I don't want to use these trend lines because I know retail watches it, but okay, you can try to use it. Like if you go on the, what is it, 2 week, wait, 3 week. It looks like an SFP, right? Let's pull it like this. I don't know how to pull these trend lines. I don't use them, so but it looks like a fake breakout where people think it's breaking the trend line, which is nice to see, but then you just reverse the whole pump. And this could be a possibility, this low. So, oh wait, I was not focusing on this short actually. Wait, I'm now on this short. I would even target this low, 17R. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it to the first high time frame distribution. That's my target. So let's see. Okay, guys, that was the stream. Let me know if everything was clear, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.